Right, we are in a very wet fucking Worsley bunker. And I'm here with my man Cam. Oh my god, that looks messy. This place is flooded, and I mean absolutely flooded. Oh my god, it just goes on down there. I'm gonna have to get wet feet, mate.
Oh, you?
I'm going for the wet feet.
Have you got them?
Is a talk of that before I go, Cam? Because that may be some time. Oh, this is not even the fucking best idea, seriously. Have you seen how deep that water is?
Yeah.
Shit.
Ankle deep.
Shit. Right, we're going in, boys. Just behind cabin upstairs, there's some stairs there, but they're blocked off.
Going there next week?
Yeah, we'll go up there next week. Shot back cab. Right, let's do this. I don't really want to because it's fucking cold as fuck. Oh! As you can see, I'm fucking well in it, boys and girls. No one's been in here for at least 20 years, I can assure you guys. I mean, look at the state of the fucking place. Oh my god, that is cold. But yeah, there's some circuits there. There's like, oh, there's a little fishy. I'm only watching. Like a little hatch there. You know what, Cam? You probably could get upstairs, you know. There's a load of flies round here, bro. But oh my god.
Set of ladders.
Yeah, a set of ladders and you're up there onto the next floor, guys.
Sweet.
Oh, freezing cold. Let me, oh, stuff's moving underneath my feet here.
I'll
Take my shoes off when I get in the car, mate. Right, boys and girls, you coming with me, Cam?
I've got boots in it.
Fucking, he's having it, the lad.
You're already fucking wet anyway.
Yeah, fuck it, let's do it, mate.
That's a bit cold, isn't it?
Just a little bit, yeah, but we're above ankle deep here. I'm guessing this is the old ventilation shaft, guys, that runs all the way round. And this water is absolutely freezing. Let's go in here first, because that looks like a passage to somewhere. Oh, look at all this, you know, stuff there. My feet are absolutely freezing at this moment in time. Let's go in here. Oh! So yeah, a little generator there.
There's a tetanus jab waiting to happen.
Yeah, this is definitely, we need to go have a tetanus jab after this. Look at that there, cool little handle. Yeah, old little isolator there. But yeah, this is an old Air Raid ACC unit from back in the wartime. Oh, it's freezing cold here. It was sold to Peel Holdings in the 1990s, I believe. But before that, it was used as a gun range. Oh my god, my feet are so cold right now. We've got more ventilation up here. Cam's just going into that room now. Oh no, it's pinching our bags around the back. And here we've got some. Oh.
Some more old shit.
Yeah. I'm guessing it's going to be old because it's like I say, it's from the wartime, isn't it? So, let's look down there, can we? And it absolutely stinks, guys. The water must have been like stagnant, and obviously, I don't know if you can see the puddle there, but we're kicking up all this plume with all this shit. But that's what we do, you know what I mean? That's how we roll. Got some cool stalactites there. Nice little bit of beach on the side. Might be enough now. Yeah, my feet are warming up a bit now. Right, so we've got graffiti on the wall from 2005, guys, so you do the maths.
No, that's it.
That was the, you know, it's quite actually spooky there, you know, this is quite trippy. Walking around, oh my goodness,
Nice, go,
some stairs, get up there, right. I'm going to get out of the, off the bottom floor, I'll come and do this bottom floor again in a minute, just let me get my feet out of here, because I'm absolutely, I mean, look at this, guys, this is like, oi, oi! Oh mate, look at that there. You can have, that's where the DJ was in the rave. Cammy! Fucking, oh my feet are so cold right now, guys. We're on the top floor now.
Right, we need that smoke bomb pot, don't we?
Yeah, where is it? Are you going back for it? Gives a lighter first, because right, just let me have a little 2-minute fucking thing here, guys, and I'll be back with you for part 2.